Hi, I'm Anu, and I'm the designer and owner of Bedelia Jewelry. I started Bedelia about a year and a half ago with no clue as to what SEO was, or content marketing was, or what a marketing plan is, or what marketing is. All I knew was good product and how to make it work and how to price it really well. So I think I'm one of the lucky ones to have landed under Kate's wings when it comes to SEO and learning about SEO and not being scared into paying an agency an unknown amount of money to manage what I didn't understand. The big course, the Recipe for SEO Success course, is an easy to understand methodical course with actionable, achievable steps that not only make you understand SEO, but also make you understand how people search for what they're searching and how to make that work for your business. I couldn't recommend the course anymore. It's exceptional. There are group coaching calls every week. If you do decide to do the course, show up to those calls, because there's something that just clicks in those calls, and it'll just help you make understand everything so much better and so much faster. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing person or a copywriter or anybody who is looking to be found on Google, do Kate's course. It's worth every penny, if not more. You'll be a better business owner. Even if you choose to offshore your SEO to somebody else, you'll know what to expect. It sets you up with good understanding of expectations and how to achieve those expectations. So good luck.